Hi, I'm George, and we'll be building that Minecraft Lego chicken coop right back there. Here's what it looks like in the actual Lego model, and let's now go ahead and build our own version right inside of Minecraft. Okay, the first thing we'll start off with here is our basic land area, and in front of that is a little pond here. It's 2 wide by 4 long right here. We'll put a little water treatment on this in just a bit. And I have a tamed gray wolf right here. I have a separate video on how to make a gray wolf. I'll put a link for that in the upper right hand corner. Now this area here is up 1 level from that water area and from this area down here. This marks out the basic layout for the chicken itself. And we're here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is back 7. And this whole area here is 5 wide. We'll start off with just some yellow concrete, and I'll stack 2 right here and 2 right there. That's the legs. Let's now go through the legs here, and I'll put in yellow carpet there, and there's the feet. Everything else is going to be built around this. We step back just a little bit. Let's have our back just a couple of squares here from the legs, and right here we'll place down 2 chests. Place 1 chest, go into sneak mode, hold the shift key down, put a second chest on top. This is for a little feature where we can actually toss an egg into the front of the chicken and it comes out into these chests in behind. Now to make this thing work, let's go over here and then again go into sneak mode, hold the shift key down, click on the top chest and the bottom chest with these hoppers. Let's back up just a little bit and same thing on that top hopper. There we go. Okay, that is the whole deal for grabbing those chicken eggs. Let's now come up just a little bit. You can get a better view of that. Okay, in front right here, we need to have some acacia planks. And I have those right here. Let's just put in 2 of those. There we go. And on top of this hopper, we need to put yellow carpet. So I'm going to go over here and just stand right here. And I'll put carpet right here. Hold the shift key down and put carpet on top of that hopper. There we go. Now while we're right here, let's grab a smooth quartz stair. And I'll put one right here. Do the same thing on the opposite side right there. Okay, now come into the front and extend that one that way and extend that one right here. Go into the back. We can actually walk on that hopper. There we go. And extend that to the back 1 set as well. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And now let's take that smooth quartz slab and put that right here, right on top. Okay, that bit is all taken care of. Now, we can begin adding in some of our body blocks. I'm going to put in just 2 blocks like that, and then put a slab right on top. This one's left open so that this chest can open up. Without that, that lid can't open, so we had to have the space in there for that lid. We can now take this up a bit, go into flying mode here, and then put a row of your smooth quartz blocks right across the back like that, and then take them out 1 spot. There we go. We can now put in the top stair section. So I'll come inside, come right in here, click on the top corner. That puts a stair upside down. Do the same thing for this side, right there, upside down stair. And let's just extend that. There we go, and we'll extend that 1 more. There we are, looking good. Let's now fill in this top section up here with quartz slabs. Just 3 of these quartz slabs right there. Okay, that's the main middle body section. We can now begin to build the rest of this. I'll extend that clear around like that. Let's go over to this side. Extend this around here. At this point, we need a gray block here in the corner on each side. So I have one of those. I can go to the hoppers and stuff now, get that out of the way. And I have this light gray concrete. Put one there and put one right there. Now fill the rest of that top in with just a whole bunch more of these smooth quartz blocks. There we go. Just come in here, drop those all in. And this will finish off the main body section. There we go. And that's actually beginning to look pretty good, as you can see there. Kind of looks right. Okay, now let's come back to the front. We'll do the head. Take your slabs, and right there where those are stairs there, put in 3 slabs right there. And then top that with 6 quartz blocks. A little higher up, 1 in the middle. And then now we need to get some black wool. I have that right here. And we'll use the black wool for the eyes in the corners. And we'll top the whole thing off here with those smooth quartz slabs. Okay, that's looking good. Now we'll use the same yellow concrete blocks again. That's the mouth bit. And then right down here, I have red wool. I'll just put that where the black one is. There we go. And do 1 red wool underneath. And that finishes off the chicken. There it is. That's looking pretty good. Okay, we can now come in and build in the fenced coop area. And for that, here's our fences. And we're doing 5 across, 1 in the middle, and then 2 on each side. And then 4 here. So again, that's 5 across, and then same thing in here. That's 5, and then 1 and 1. And right here, we'll put in a gate. Right there. There's my gate. And just drop that in there. Okay, there's that gate taken care of. Now, I'll just toss in a couple of chickens. And I have in here, I have a chicken spawn egg. Let me just take that. I'll spawn in a couple of chickens. There we go. That looks good. Now to finish off the look of this area up in here, you want to put in a poppy right there. That matches the model. And a couple of things down here. A couple of short grass right here and right there. They also have in the model a torch on this back corner. Let's go ahead and recreate that. That's easy to do. Just put a torch right there. Okay, that's all looking really nice. Now there's a little bit of a water feature in front here. There's a bit of a pool. This could possibly go further on or anywhere else you want to, but right in the corner here is going to be just a little bit of a feature right there with some flowing water. So for that, we need a couple of things. We need to have a water bucket right there and some kind of a slab. I'll just use that quartz slab again. So come in here, put the quartz slab right in that corner, right there, and then do a water bucket on top of that. And that gives us that flowing water treatment right there. Okay, that all looks fine. The last couple of things that we need in here to make this match the actual Lego model is right here is a furnace. I've got one of those sitting right there. Let's make sure it's facing the right way. There's a furnace. If you want to, you can toss some stuff into that. There's some coal, and there's some raw copper for it to do something. We'll set some flames down there. Now over here are a couple of gray blocks. It doesn't really say what they are, so what I did is I just grabbed some polished andesite, which looks nice. And I'll put that in here. I'll do one right here and one right here. Now this is where a banner goes. And for that, let's get rid of that egg. Just grab the fence again, and I'll put a fence post right here. Put a fence post on top. And to finish that off, we need to have a chicken banner. I have one right here. And for the chicken banner, I have a video on how to do this over on Planet Minecraft. I'll put a link for that video upper right-hand corner if you want to make that. Or you can just copy it right there and make it right inside the game. It's up to you. And I'll just put that right there. There's my chicken banner. Okay. That's all looking really good. There's the basic layout now that matches that Minecraft Lego chicken coop. The last thing that we have is that the model has Alex in it. So let me just switch my character over to Alex real fast. Okay, there's the Alex look right here. That's all looking really nice. Let's now see how that dispenser system works back there inside of the chicken. Just fly back over here. There we go. All we need to do here is to toss eggs right onto that spot. I have some eggs in here. There we go. And let's just toss those back in like that. Didn't quite go far enough there. Here's a few more. Okay. Let's see how that worked. Run to the back side, and they should be going through these into the top and down to the bottom. Just right click, and there we go, working just fine. That's the last little bit that is all working correctly now. So I think we've got it. I think we have finished our Minecraft Lego chicken coop. Don't forget to check in the description for those other 2 videos, one on how to make that gray wolf and also one on how to do that chicken banner. Okay, and I'll see you next time.